Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I have some more OUTRE units, and my last video you all really enjoyed because I showed you all some curlier units from their line, and these units were geared towards naturals. I'm a natural, actually a 4B 4C natural, and so whenever I get a unit that's more so on the kinkier side, I am really excited, especially if they do it well. So I have two units that I'm going to show you all today from the Soft and Natural line. These are an extension of the original Neesha, which was 203, I believe, and that's the longer version of this Soft and Natural unit. But the ones that I have, one is more so a medium length, and then the other one is a shorter bob style look. I got the 202 in color 1B, and the 201 in Dr. Sienna Copper. So this one's gonna be a really, y'all see that color? I'm gonna take it out in a minute, but y'all, that one's gonna be fire. I can already tell. I'm gonna try the one in color 1B first, and then we're gonna heat things up and try this beautiful copper color. So let's get into these. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow, y'all know I love the yaki texture and also like a kinky straight, kinky blowout texture. That's the vibe that this unit is giving me, and it's already got some curls in it. And I believe, from what I understand, you can actually put up to 400 degrees on this particular unit, which is pretty awesome because this is synthetic. But y'all, it looks so much like human hair, which is amazing. And it's packaged so well. Now, it is a lace front unit, but the thing about this one, and I think it would make for a more beginner-friendly option, in that you don't have so much lace to work with. Sometimes for beginners, a great deal of lace can be a bit overwhelming. So having this much lace might be a little more comfortable for someone who's not accustomed to working with units as frequently as I am, or others who are not necessarily a novice. So I do like that aspect of it. And it stretches a really good deal. I get questions about whether a unit is beginner friendly or not. This one definitely is. So this is what the parting space looks like. Now, you do not get lace throughout this whole area. You only get lace in the parting area and then maybe about an inch from ear to ear. So that's the lace aspect that you have for this unit. So if you want to part it really deep on this side, it doesn't allow you to, or really deep on this side, you're not going to be able to do that. You only get a small amount of parting here in the front. And this seems like it would be one of those just throw on and go wigs, which is really cool. And you most likely, I know this is going to be bomb. It's going to be so bomb. Yes, this length is amazing. The longer version, I believe, looks really good as well. But this one, when it says soft and natural, this is a really natural length. Like, this is really believable. And these curls, look at this. I love it. Now, one thing about this unit, it's really textured. Let me pull this up so you all can see it. Y'all, look at that. I haven't even cut the lace off or anything. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way they styled it. And they have these really nice effortless curls. It doesn't feel stiff like your typical synthetic hair. This feels like, wow, like it could be human hair. This feels like it could be my hair, to be honest. Now, this unit is very voluminous. So if you're someone who doesn't necessarily like all the volume, then you can go in and thin it out. I've seen other girls go in with like a razor comb and just thin it out, which is a very good option. Now, I will not be doing that because if you've been a loyal follower of my channel, you know I don't necessarily like the thin. I'm all about the volume. So we're going to keep all of this. So we're just going to cut the lace off. And I'm hoping that we can wear this glueless. I think we can. But if you wanted to secure it down, you could absolutely just spray on some Got2b glue spray, let it dry, and you good. But let's see. I'm going to cut the lace off, and we're going to see what we're working with. So I'm just taking a clip just to get the hair out of the way in the front. But before I cut the lace off, let me show you all what the hairline looks like. So this is what the hairline looks like. You could tweeze it if you wanted to, but I don't believe I'm going to do that. And y'all, look at the color of the lace. This is my scalp color. I love that they appeal to a darker skin tone. Now, if you're somebody who's lighter, you could just simply go in with your foundation powder, and that would be good for making it blend well with your scalp. But this is perfect. Wow. So right now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor and I'm going to cut the lace off. After doing so, I'll really be able to gauge if I need to go in with some form of adhesive in order to secure it down. But it'll be really good if I don't, because lately I've been such a fan of wearing my units glueless. So we're going to see, guys.
But you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You got me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. Wait, you ain't me.
Y'all, look at this. This looks so good. I just cut the lace off and it lays really flat in this area, so we don't necessarily have to glue it down or anything. This would literally be one that you could wear absolutely 100% glueless and it looked great. I'm just gonna gel my edges down. That's something that I'd recommend. Just gel your edges. You could have that little bit exposed and it's gonna look like this is your hair. Now pull your stocking cap back a little bit because mine is up way too far. But yeah, just have a little bit of your edges exposed, gel those down, and maybe put a bobby pin on the side so that it's not flapping. It's really not doing too much, which is great, but we could put a little bobby pin there and pretty much wear it the way that it is.
Lady, come in, let me tell you something. Lately I've been wondering if you could be mine forever. See you was like God, he must be up to something. Know you tired of running, let's just stay here together. I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love.
Okay, now that that's down, that's what this side looks like. And I'm gonna remove this little clip. And look at that. Do y'all see this texture? How on point did they mimic our natural hair texture in its blown out state? This is amazing. Like, wow. Y'all, this looks so good. This is the perfect everyday wig. I love that you can actually apply heat to it.
You don't even open up, so your heart can't get crushed. You've been let down so many times.
Okay, it didn't burn, so that's a good sign.
Sometimes you wonder if you need to get up. You done been through too much, but I ain't tryna mess this up. Hey, let's get away. We can take a trip to the bay. Hit the beach, take a vacay. Whatever you like, yeah, whatever you like.
Y'all, it responds to heat really well. You can curl it if you want. Now, you're probably not going to be able to get really tight curls, but you can actually recurl it. Now, as I'm manipulating it and running my fingers through it, I am getting a little bit of tangling. Also, just a slight bit of shedding. Now, over time, you might get more because, again, this is synthetic hair. So that tends to just happen naturally. I think I'm going to go in the parting and add some of my powder, as well as in this area just to conceal some of the knots in the front. And then we're pretty much finished. The only thing that I'm not really a fan of is that, y'all probably know, the parting is on the wrong side for me. I generally wear my parts on the right side, but this one is structured on the left, and there's no way to actually shift it because, as I showed you guys, they only have lace in the area where the part is. So you're not able to pull it over to this side unless you're maybe going to wear some of your hair out in the front. See, if you were to actually try to part it on this side, there isn't any parting, so that's not possible. So that's one thing that I'm not really a fan of, but I think it still looks good with it parted on the left. But I feel like it would have looked so much better for me, and I'd feel more comfortable if it was parted on this side.
Oh my, you done stressing the night. Stay up, watch sunrise. We just fine, you just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. You just need your vacation. People say forever is a mighty long time. I don't know. I ain't really tripping if it mean that I'm holding you close to me. Baby girl, you all I need. Your smile is every.
Come on, Outre. You didn't have to do us like this. This looks so fly, y'all. Like, look at how flow it is. Look at that movement. Stiff wear. Stiff wear. Ow. So y'all, 202 is a winner. The length and everything, I don't even think I would want it longer. Y'all let me know if y'all have tried Neesha in 203. I believe that's the unit number for that one. That one's much longer. This length is perfection. Look at it in the back. This is the one. This is it right here. Look at how that just flows. It just flows back in place. Look at that. Shift and right back. That little extra bump in the front. Oh, that's doing it for me. It just flows back in place. You could be just slanging this all over. And watch what it does. Ooh, it's back. It just gets back information. This is great. Let me stop going on about this one. I don't even want to take this one off. I think I'm gonna go take some photos in this one, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna put the next one on. So let's do that. All right, y'all, now it's time to turn up the heat. So we're gonna try the copper color. I'm excited to see what this is gonna look like against my skin. Like, look at this texture. Y'all can't tell me this does not look like our natural hair. All right, so this one has the same exact cap construction. The only thing about this one that's different is that the parting space is in the middle. It does have combs on the inside. I don't believe I showed that when I initially showed the one I'm currently wearing. And it has an adjustable strap. Okay, so we're gonna take this one off. And I'm putting this one back on tonight for sure. All right, so let me get in close so you all can actually see the dimension of the color. So at the roots, it looks more so brown, and then it gradually transitions into this deep orange. It does have hints of golden blonde in it. It is just divine, y'all. This is the perfect fall unit. Now this one I'm a little nervous about. I've tried a unit that's similar to this color, but not quite this bold. Wow. This is different, but pretty. Wow. Can you imagine this in a blonde? Or even color 1B, I think would look good. This one, to be honest, actually feels softer than the first one I tried on. It's kind of weird. This is everything. I'm gonna flatten out the top and actually deepen the part. And I'm also not going to lay this one down with any Got2b glue or anything. You see how flush it is to the head? I really like that about these units. I can't even believe I like this color. All right, so I'm gonna go into the part with my MAC Studio Fix Plus, and then I'm gonna flatten out the top using my hot comb.
Come and be my company. You need to take off for work. We can road trip in the A. We can take a dip by the bay. Hop on a plane, go to Spain. No matter the place, girl, you melt my heart like Pompeii. Ay, I know your mama told you don't let guys go running off with your love. You done been through too much, so I ain't trying to mess.
I wonder what would my husband think about this color. Why are you laughing?
It's like some foxy brown.
It kind of has like a scissor vibe, right? A little bit. She got this color, right?
Maybe. It's a fire color.
You like it?
I mean, it works with dark skinned girls. I've seen it before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like a foxy brown.
You think it looks good on me?
Yeah, I mean, it works with your skin. You usually wear, you know, a variety of different wigs well. It's like a redhead.
Yeah, redhead. It does look like a redhead. Y'all, this one is flaming hot. This is so gorgeous, and it complements my skin tone so well, surprisingly. I don't know why for so long I've thought that I could not pull off colored units. I always wore black. It's insane. I just always went for black, but this is amazing, guys. So if you're someone who's been wanting to dye your hair this color or maybe a blonde color, I'd recommend absolutely trying these units so then you can get a sense of what it would look like on you. And you may decide that you don't even want to color your own hair because y'all know color treating your hair is not the best for it, but units like these. So this one is a nice shoulder length bob type look, but it's not asymmetrical or anything. The length is pretty much consistent throughout. This is what the back looks like, and let me comb it so you all can see it a little better. So this is what the back looks like. With this one, I've also experienced minimal shedding, maybe 1 or 2 strands, which is a good sign. Now, I'm not sure what it will do over time. I have seen other girls say that after a few days or so, they do experience more shedding, but again, it's synthetic hair. I'm not experiencing any tangles. It just feels really nice and looks so good. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Also seeing tutorials like these with more affordable options for you guys. This one and the one I just showed you guys are such great options, especially if you want something that's a bit more textured. Like, look at that. It's divine. So OUTRE did a phenomenal job in matching our texture so well. They hit it out the park with this Neesha line. I absolutely love these units. I'd highly recommend that you all try them. For 30 bucks, y'all, you cannot beat this. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Let me know which style was your favorite. Keep in mind that there are a variety of different colors that you all can get these units in. These are so phenomenal and don't require a great deal of work at all. And these would be so phenomenal for gifts for Christmas. Just giving y'all some ideas. But that's the end of this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.